Ladies and gentlemen, shall we begin this evening's interview round? We ask the usher to present
Vi har en tipp nivå. Silence, please. Let's behave. Contestant number 5 has chosen a question. I'm going to read out the contestant number 5. How can Miss Good beauty pageant be improved in future? Let me repeat the question. How can Miss Good beauty pageant be improved in the future? In what way Miss Good beauty contest can be done better in the future?
Thank you for the beautiful question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and the judges and the VIPs. To my answer, I believe that to improve
The question is, how can Miss Good beauty pageant be improved in the future?
Miss Cute beauty pageant can be improved by, first of all, by providing seats to the audience, because they are the one who is going to watch us. They should be comfortable. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you. Kuchibei.
Contestant number 10, Esther Nengpilhing Haokip. Let's see what question she has chosen. Please maintain some silence so that we can give these girls a chance to answer these questions. Contestant number 10, Esther Nengpilhing Haokip has chosen the question, what is the greatest thing you have ever done which makes you feel most satisfied about? What is the greatest thing you have ever done which makes you feel most satisfied about?
Well, thank you for the question. Hello. Well, thank you for the question. My answer is, I feel myself very lucky to able to treat my mom, because as a girl, as a lady, having a chance to treat the parents is the most everything that make me satisfied. And also that's all. Thank you.
Contestant number 6 has chosen the question, who is mentally stronger, male or female? Who is mentally stronger, male or female?
Thank you for the question. Even though man is physically stronger, I would say that women are more mentally stronger, because from the scientists have proven that women can do multitasking and women can handle their emotion under certain situations. Thank you.
Contestant number 9, Hatneichong Haokip, has picked the question. What do you think is the biggest problem facing our society and why? Let me repeat the question.
Yes.
What do you think is the biggest problem facing our society and why?
Thank you for your beautiful question. Good evening, Infor. I think the biggest problem in our society is like, I always feel sad when I see the internal conflicts that are crisis in our present society. And that is the main problem that we face in our society. Also, drug abuses by the young. And we can improve that by promoting campaign and awareness. So that is the main problem in our society that we face. Thank you.
Hello. Okay, this one's a tricky question. Her question is, contestant number 16. Contestant number 16 has chosen the question, if you have to choose between being Miss Good and being an MCS officer, what would you choose and why?
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you must be having a wonderful evening. The question was, what would I choose between an MCS officer and Miss School 2017? Well, I won't choose between both, but for my future, I choose to be an MCS officer because in that way, I will be able to do something for the society. But for this moment, I would like to be crowned Miss School 2017. Thank you.
Thank you to our lovely ladies for their answers. You may now make your way backstage.